is 8:46 in the morning on October 20th, 2017. Ton of turkeys in the road up ahead. Whoa. There's a quick trip this morning. It's gonna be like 2 hours. I got a date with my wife at noon. Going to see It.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back?
But yeah, it is chilly. Let's see, what's the temperature out? It is 49 degrees out right now. But I got the pants. Super tight pants. But they're good. I should have brought gloves. Didn't bring gloves. Oops. So this morning we had a tiny little scare. We got a phone call as my kids were waiting for the bus this morning. I recorded the phone call. You gotta hear this. This is nuts. Waking up in the morning, your kids are waiting for the bus, and this is what you hear.
An unmarked school bus has been reportedly seen stopping in the when trying to pick up students. Do not allow your students to approach any bus not clearly marked with public schools on it. Police have been contacted. Forgive any duplicate notice.
If I lived in that neighborhood, I can't imagine. Check it out! looked on my phone. I can't really figure out who owns it. There's no houses around. And it is a nice little spot. Check it out. Picnic tables, fire pit. Still there. We'll go down here a little bit. Really doesn't lead anywhere. There's nothing back here. The trail ends. This is very promising. This is going to be the spot. Definitely got to come back here and try some camping. There's just nothing here. Looks like someone actually mows this, which is kind of crazy. How the hell do they get a lawnmower back here? I don't get it. Does not look like it. That'd be a nice fire. It has a dock, which is awesome. Right up there, if you can see on the top of those trees, I don't know if you can see because of the sun, that's where I seen the eagle a few weeks ago. And I stopped right there and I didn't come down here anymore. I totally didn't see this. Oh, check it out, there's swans sitting right over there. I see 3 of them. I think I might take the jacket off before I get going. See how this worked out. Wasn't too cold at all. So I'm gonna start heading back downstream. Pants. The water holds up and it's dry. I love it. That was awesome. That was cool. I mean, they're all cool, but I was a little nervous about the cold, and it wasn't cold. I'm sweating, but I think now it's about 62, 64 degrees, so it's surely not cold anymore. I was out there for a little over 2 hours. It was a little short one, but going down there to Oakwood, there's just so much to see and do. You could be out there all day and only see half of it. Found the campsite, which leads to nowhere, which leads me to believe that that's kind of just up for grabs, I guess. Someone's nice enough to leave a shovel and trash can, fire pit, picnic tables. That's like, I can't wait. It's good times, good times. And then these pants, oh my God, they are awesome. They kept me warm, but not hot. And they are bone dry. The one time I didn't think I was gonna try really hard not to get in the water, so I didn't bring my shoes, my water shoes. They're falling apart. I got a ton of other videos of just little adventures me and my family get on, and a couple other videos of some projects I've done, pretty much all with kayaks. One of the videos I had for the kayak that I use today that has outriggers that I bring sometimes and a motor I bring sometimes. That video, I mean, it's got like 7,000 views. So I really appreciate everyone who's watched that video and made it so popular and got it out there. It's awesome. But if you like what you see, please subscribe. I love making these videos. I'm kayaking anyway, so I might as well videotape it. Oh, check this out. It's a Benito's Pizza with Freddy and Jason and a zombie baseball player. Very cool. I got me a date. I was supposed to be home by 11:30, and it is 11:22, and I got about 8 minutes to get home, and we're about 8 minutes away, so I will see you guys on the flip side on my next little adventure. Hope you guys will join me. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.